time. You fucker!
You told us to go the wrong way. Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Today we are here at Land of Illusion up here in Middletown, Ohio. This is a multi-attraction scream park. They've actually got 6 full-size haunts here, and we are gonna take you through all 6 of them tonight. Now we're gonna try a brand new haunt here for Land of Illusion. It's called Toxic Hillbillies. We've got no idea what to expect back here. Last year it was Dysphoria, so that's the building that it was in, but that's all we know. Let's go check it out.
Who are you? Well, who are you?
That's a good question. Whoa!
Good night.
Y'all ready to have a good time?
Yeah,
absolutely.
My name's Uncle Cleet. Nice to meet you. Give me some.
Uncle
Gotcha. Get out my face now. You fucker! I said get. Hey, y'all want to get one of them cages with me?
No.
I'll do it.
How about yourself?
No.
I'll do it.
Come on now, y'all.
Trevor said he would.
Y'all won't end up like them. Come on now. There's one right there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh, is Trevor getting in the cage? Bye, Trevor.
Is he
Bye,
getting in
Trevor.
one? Oh, he's
Oh,
getting in.
no.
That's that,
Wait, come out, Trevor.
he's
Get out.
behind you.
Pull it out.
Howdy.
Oh, we're going. We gotta go that
Follow
way.
me.
Oh, God.
Uncle Cleet
Oh,
said
God.
come this way
Follow
now.
Uncle Cleet.
Nigga, all right, y'all have a nice one now.
Thank you.
Around here. Gonna make it out alive.
Oh, he's probably right.
As soon as I saw him.
He was kind of, unruly.
He didn't eat enough.
No.
I
got some people in my kitchen.
Oh, man.
My name's Darlene. Nice to meet you.
Hi,
Super, you hungry?
Yes.
Does it have human in it?
Oh, yes it does.
No.
Oh.
Oh. Trevor!
Hello.
Help! Help! Oh, God. Okay. It's a
Once he
kitty
gets
fish.
trying to finish up his number 3.
Oh.
Number 3.
Oh no.
What's a number 3?
Okay.
Hey, just a dude. Privacy, all right.
Oh. I think
He's making a mess.
I think he's going number 3.
Oh no.
I now know what number 3 sounds like.
I finished. It's all right now.
All right.
Oh, there's a big target on the wall.
We're co-
Whatever
oh yeah.
that means.
He thinks. Hey, he said we need to go that way.
Trevor! That way.
He said to go that way.
Why? Come on.
Whatever, sit down with Jacob.
Jacob?
Not right now.
There's something coming out of the fireplace.
No. He's. Uh
That one just came out of the fireplace.
oh. You told us to go the wrong way. Yeah.
Don't
yeah.
follow that one.
Travis, you was right.
That's right.
You was right the first time.
No! You're sneaky.
Yay.
Thank you for not killing us.
Yes, thank you.
All right, so thumbs up for Toxic Hillbillies. Let us know what you thought down in the comments, of course. Let's get on to the next one.